All right, let me scoot this up and we'll talk about ones and zeros for a second. So our whole point is that we need to transmit data. And this data is binary. So the messages are going to be a huge string of zeros and ones that need to be sent out. Okay? We already know if I say an octet, in telecom, what's an octet?
8 bits.
That is a group of 8 bits, okay? That is not a field that's just a group of 8 bits and it's just a group of 8 bit, and that's all it is. But there are times when we have fields, and I'll just talk about a couple of fields. So a field is a group of bits. And I'm going to have to run off to the next page, okay? So sometimes there are fields. And we'll worry about fields as we go, or we're going to do it right now. And so there's times when we, for example, need to keep track of different things. So let's say I have a list of customers. And we're going to store it in a table. This is like a database question for you now. So I have a customer table. And one of the things I need in the customer table is we need to know the gender. Okay? So we're going to sell people different stuff. Some people that are different genders need different stuff. So we can be male or female. Now you guys need to think about your database, and if I was to set how many bits I need in terms of my field width, my field length, how many bits do I need in order to be able to say if a customer is male or female? How many bits does it take in my database? So I might have name. Let me just note here. I might have name. How many characters long does a name need to be? 20 characters. So here we go. I need 20 characters, and it generally takes, we'll just put 8 bits. You guys remember a byte, right? 20 characters, 8 bits per character. That's going to mean 160 bits to keep track of someone's name. How many bits to do their gender, if they're male or female? It should be 1 bit. No, I don't need to know the text. There's only 2 possible values.
Oh, well, you put 1 or 0.
Right, I can do 1 or 0. If there's 2 possible values, that means I need a 1-bit field. Okay? Now, what if I need to do, for example, the season of the year? Okay? Oh, by the way, let's say 1 equals female, 0 equals male. So we can see that, right? They're either male or female, so we don't need more than 1 bit. It's just 1 or a 0. So the season of the year, how many seasons are there? So there's 4. How many bits do we need? 4 possible values. You can, oh, she's going to tell me right now. So I need 2 bits. What did you say? I need 1, 1. 1, 1 is what? Spring. What's next? 1, 0. Summer. 0, 0. Fall. 1, 0. Oops, 0, 1. Sorry. 0, 1. Winter. I wasn't listening. All right, so I can do 4 different values in a field with 2 bits. Are we rocking here? If I have something with 8 possible values, how many bits do I need? 3 bits. Okay. What about 16 possible values? Every time I add a bit to my field, I double the possible values I can store in that field, okay? Or possible different values, right? It's spring or summer or fall or winter, right? Just like 160 bits means I can put all those different names in that field, okay? This is row after row after row. I can have all those different things, right? Now, this will become an issue in a minute, but I need to note that. Okay, so we're going to keep that in our brain for a second.